The finals of the 4th edition of the Bamenda One Peace and Unity Tournament, played on Sunday, September 3, 2023, brought together thousands at the Bujong Community Football Field. The mayor of Bamenda One, who doubles as the president of Feka Foot Northwest, is satisfied with the organization of this year's edition.
This year we have one of the best organizations that I must applaud the organizing committee that did a marvelous job here organizing this competition. I will equally say that the gods of Bamenda were behind this competition because we noticed at one point in time that we had a very good weather for the children to showcase their talents.
The founder of Bamenda, the father of the village, says next year's edition will be more exciting.
It's a very happy moment for the entire Bamenda people and the people of the Bamenda One municipality because it's another occasion that we've been able to mobilize this number of people who've come out from more than 30-40 quarters of Bamenda to participate in the games. And we know the role of football in community building. We know the role of football in bringing people together and in promoting social cohesion. It's an engagement that we've taken years back. We have said last year we had about 15 teams participating from 15 quarters. This year we have 19. The promise is that next year we want to have more than 30 quarters participate.
The winners of last year's edition, Atungola FC, overpowered Tenefo All-Stars by 1-0.
It was a fair play. Last year I was a champion of this same tournament. This year I'll still carry the day. I want to thank the Lord Mayor of Bamenda One, the elites of the village for having organized this kind of a tournament to bring peace among the indigenes of the village and to encourage the living together in the country.
Tournaments like these give opportunities for coaches to scout out players into professional clubs.
We are very, very impressed with the Peace, Solidarity and Unity Tournament of the Bamenda One Council. This largely because interquarters serve as a pool where we can fetch talents to use at the amateur and professional league. I think the mayor of Bamenda One Council is a visionary because we are moving to the era where teams are supposed to operate the youth and female teams, and here he gave us all the categories, the senior, the junior categories, as well as the female teams. So I think that coaches that actually wanted to get players have been able to find a pool of players out there at the Solidarity Tournament in Bamenda One.
The competition, sponsored by the Bamenda One Council, the Port Authority of Douala, and Dr. Tanifom Peter, also had the under-17th category, the women's football category, the men and women handball competitions. All the winners received their medals and trophies at the close of the competition.